Let's begin this video yesterday. Alright, Elena, let's start off the last day of 2020 with a drink. What do you got there in your hands?
A wet nap?
No, say it right.
What do you mean? It's a wet nap.
No.
What is it?
It's a moist towelette.
Moist towelette. No. Who says moist towelette?
Everybody, it's a moist
I say a wet
towelette.
nap.
It's a moist
What
towelette.
is it called? Fresh nap. Brand wise.
But it's a
Moist towelette.
But?
See, alright, I was trying to ignore that part of it, so.
So what do you got in your hands?
A moist towelette.
Thank you.
Cider.
Oh, thank you, sir. I've been promising Casey the Jepson's bourbon
I like how you brought a
horsepower. Well, that's filling up a flask is a very, very difficult task. So
I like a funnel.
those little metal phones are great, but they're also hard to get.
Probably a little less.
Oh, I got a horsepower right here. All right, so Jepson's track record is not good, so I'm not expecting much from the bourbon. I've never had it, neither has Casey.
I have not had the.
What do you do here, anyways? Like, what do you? Casey works at Coppertail,
Spray tanks
runs
down,
Coppertail, makes
unplug
beer at
toilets
Coppertail.
sometimes. Do a little mix of everything.
Laybacks. Label out.
Label out. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
It's disappointing.
Yeah.
It's disappointing that it's not as bad as you thought it would be. It's not fantastic whiskey, but. Ever seen one of these? I haven't. That is rad.
Fish in your pocket.
Only thing to wash out the taste of 2020. And it's convenient. Which little glass is there?
He wants this in the brain.
If it makes you feel any better, it's always worse than you think it is.
No.
You can sit here and think about it all you want, but it's only going to be worse.
Go run your tank out, see if you tank.
Or, well, you know.
Brought it.
Yeah, man.
I said not bad.
It's not as bad as people make it out to be.
Wait for it. It's also not as bad as the Florida stuff. This is the Chicago stuff.
I mean, it doesn't taste good, don't get me wrong.
Delicious.
Never anything I want.
Here it comes.
Thanks, Flip.
That was your bottle.
I know.
Yeah, it doesn't go away.
Would you say it tastes like grapefruit juice filtered through plywood?
No, pencil juice.
Pencil shavings.
To a new year.
It's way better.
Oh yeah. Just like Pappy.
Oh, it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. Tastes like 2020. Terrible year. hours up in this year. What a shame.
Absolutely.
Well, there's nothing going on to shame tonight, so.
Nothing's happening.
Jimmy Jack.
No, everyone's gonna look at my boobs. Just an interview. What sucks? Everything?
Tell me everything about you.
Everything sucks.
So how was your day?
It's alright.
So what'd you do today?
I slept mostly. Then I went to Bodega to eat a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Pollo asado.
The pollo asado sandwich.
It's delicious.
Was it?
Yeah.
No sides.
French fries.
French fries.
Yeah.
It only gets worse. Hey Jay.
Hey, buddy.
We're just calling it a night on this tonight. Tonight sucks.
Pizza.
Happy 2020. And here we are, 2021. Everything's exactly the same. Not that much happened for the rest of the night. Elena had to go meet up with her real friends. AJ at some point got lost in the bathroom. Don't ask me about that one. We started heading out the door. Richard grabbed me and goes, hey man, ball drops in 8 minutes. Hang out. Grab another drink. Hands me a whiskey. I wait. That thing happens. And then do my shot, say Happy New Year to everybody, and head on home. And here we are today. I don't know, man. I feel hopeful. I feel like it's going to be a better year. I mean, it's not like it's a high bar to jump over at this point. But I feel like there's something... I have a weird feeling that right around the corner there's something good for this year. I have a lot of plans. I have a lot of ideas. I got my Burt Harley Davidson, not so standard anymore. It has a name. I know everybody's been waiting for the walk around. That's coming right up. But I'm still trying to take it easy. I'm still trying to relax, but I'm still trying to make videos, you know? There's a lot going on right now that has my attention divided, especially with it being so frozen up north and mostly everything being closed. I have a lot of friends from Chicago and New York who are actually down right now. So I'm a little distracted. And not everybody wants a camera in their face. Hell, I don't want it in my face most of the time. Hell, I don't want it on my helmet most of the time. I spent the last week without having a GoPro on my helmet. It's amazing. So I guess in the bigger scheme of things, if we're starting off this new year, I guess we should start it off with that whole new year, new me thing. So let's do that first thing today. That first major change of 2021. So, new year, new me.